What up, guys? So today, my wife decided to take my car to work, um, by my surprise. So I'm gonna play around with her truck. um, I am going to paint these wheels. When she comes back, she will have an entirely different look to the car. But I'm gonna paint her rims today. So originally, I was thinking about maybe plasti dipping them. That way, if we wanted to, or if she didn't like it, I could just peel it off. But because she took my car, I'm just going to fully paint them. Makes life easier that way. So stay tuned. I'll take you through the process quickly. I do have a video on, I did them to the Mazda CX-5, a much more in detail video. But I'll take you through like a kind of a time lapse, and we can see the before and after. Alright guys, so I got the wheels off. These were the dirtiest brakes I have ever seen. They are still filthy. I cleaned them up a little bit with a wire brush. I'm not going to spend 2 hours on the brakes today, just because painting the tires does take a while. You got to wait for all the paint to dry and everything. So, but really all I did was I just degreased the tires, cleaned them up. I got the lug nuts soaking in degreaser there, and then all we are gonna do, and like I said, you didn't need to see me just kind of clean the tires. It's just boring for you guys. But so I have got 400 grit sandpaper, which is the next step. Gonna sand it down, make sure it's all good. Probably degrease it again. Wipe it down with some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it's nice and clean. And then this is the paint that I wanted to use for my for the CX-5. So I'm going to throw a nice light first coat on for this. If we need to, we got 600 grit sandpaper to make sure everything's nice and smooth, no bubbles. And then we can finish up painting, let it dry, 15 minutes, 20 minutes between each coat. And yeah. We'll be able to see the new look of the FJ. So super excited. My wife is going to be surprised. We'll see. We'll see what her response is. But yeah, overall super excited. I'm super excited to see what's going to look like. So. Hey guys, so to save time, don't use tape to tape off the tires. I literally cut up like printer paper, like thicker printer paper. You can use index cards. It will make your life so much easier. Just stick them around the tire. If you try to tape it off, it'll just be a big pain in the ass. You can do it. I did it for the CX-5. But it's going to take so much longer. So. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to do it. You do, though, need to tape off the air nozzles. So let me do that real quick. Alright guys, so last part which I just did it 24 hours later. Well, not 24 hours later. The next day is so using. I think this is the best product as far as kind of buffing everything out and just kind of giving it like honestly kind of a factory type look. So I wait, 24 hours, let's just say. The next day I let all the rims, make sure they're fully dried, and then I just kind of buff one wheel at a time. I think it looks pretty sick. So we need to black that roof out. We need to wrap the roof, which will be next. But yeah, it looks super badass. I think it totally changes the look. Makes it just look so much more aggressive. So let me know what you guys think. I appreciate any of the views, likes. Please subscribe. Yeah, totally appreciate it. Between the 3 cars, a ton more to come.